What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Before we proceed, please know that this is not financial advice. You can do whatever you like with your money. And that being said, let's take a sip of coffee from my Casper Maxi mug. Everything, guys, everything tastes better with Casper. Today we're about to do the same thing we do every day. First we'll look at the 24 hours market performance. Then we'll check on the prices and a little bit of details, just brushing them quickly. And then we'll look at our position to see how good we are doing. If we are doing bad, great. Going sideways, you name it. We're just going to try to do that as quick as possible, okay? But before we go to all that, guys, it's been a while, right? People seem to try to forget about quant. People are beginning to talk about something was the next big thing. But how do I put this? Let's just say every house, let me give you just a little bit of a picture of how I see it, okay? Every house in the city, you need electricity, right? Electricity does not just come straight from the source straight to your house. No, you need those wires, okay? Everything, electricity has to travel through those wires, no matter how big you want it, no matter what type. If you want a DC, you want an AC, whatever you want, it has to travel high voltage, then gets converted to whatever that you want in your house. Understand? So that is the same thing as QUANT. Earlier this year, I don't know, I think I made a video about it, and you guys, those of you following QUANT, you should know. Earlier this year, they had a summit. Excuse me. In that meeting, they were talking about the future of banking. You know, how is banking going to react with the blockchain technology? You guys remember that, right? And that's how I knew, like, all these governments, they are all coming out with regulations. That's how I knew about it. So, and I started accumulating my quant. Like I told you guys, you don't need to have 1,000 quants. Understand? Okay, at least try to get 100 quants. Try to get that, because the way things are moving, regulations are coming really hard. Okay, and quant, excuse me right quick, and quant is one of the few that is up to regulation standards. You understand? Soon the government is going to start cracking down on all these cryptos. Okay, most of them, all these proof of stakes that you already know, something like Bitcoin and all this proof of work is kind of see how they're going to go about it. Although, like I can tell you, Bitcoin is already, it's not a security. SEC has already said it. But when we talk about quant, the technology of quant is so unique. That's why I keep telling guys, like, don't look at the immediate price action. In the short term, I can see quant go up to $1,000. Okay, this stage that we're about to enter, that we just entered, okay, stage 4 of the bull run, I can see quant take off to $1,000, which is would be around what are we right now, $60-$65, will be around 10 to 15x from now. And a lot of people are going to be like, whoa, I should have got in, I should have gone this. Okay, let's just say you are not buying it for a short term. Quant is providing the technology that a lot of all these banks are going to need. The overledger is such a technology that no matter what coin the bank is trying to store, they are going to need the overledger to do that. I've said this so many times in this video, and I've said it so many times in my videos, and it seems like people don't understand it. I think like last week or a couple days ago, the BRICS nation held their first summit to discuss their the dollarization. Okay, if they if they are going to succeed or not. Okay, whether they succeed or not, you and I, all we know is that they are going to use mBridge, and for them to use mBridge, they need quant. So right now they're still tying up the few things that is left before they deploy the entire, before the entire excuse me, before the entire thing goes live. And that's what I've been telling guys, like, You do not look at the price action right now. Try to look ahead. Try to look ahead. Even, okay, let's just say you don't support the M bridge, you don't support the BRICS. The policies, okay, that we are so much waiting, every government, they have said it. They said they give November 2025 to be the deadline. All the countries, all the banks, everybody must be compliant. Understand? They must be standard compliance. And like I said, all these cryptos we are looking at right now, all of them a lot of them are going to get hit. Much more those of them who had VCs and all that stuff. That's why this XRP case, all of you who are thinking that XRP is going to get away with it, I don't think they will. This XRP case is going to set up, the presidents. It's going to set up the way they have to deal, that the governments are going to start dealing with the rest of these cryptos. That's what's going to happen. Now, they tell you all the time, oh, XRP, XLM, and all that, the cross-border, blah, 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 which is, yes, to some extent, is true. But all those ISO 22 coins, they're all going to run on Quant. I've said it before, and I will say it again. You guys that are being so, how can I say it? You talk about Quant, you see people spitting left and right. You see people talking, nah, that thing is dead. This is that. You are going to regret it. Look at the supply of Quant. Half of what Bitcoin is. Look at the market cap of Quant. You tell me that Quant cannot get up to $40 or $50 billion market cap. You tell me that. Excuse me right quick. Yeah. You tell me. Here. By the time Quant gets to that market cap, $40-50 billion market cap, you will be sitting like you will wish you had bought Quant at these prices. Because what that will do, guys, okay, what that will do is excuse me. Yeah, sorry about that. What that will do, it will cause a frenzy, guys. Because everybody, so far so good, people are so stuck on Bitcoin, stuck on these assets that are running, that a lot of people are not looking at utility coins. Okay, and Quant is one of them. Like, once everybody start to realize, like, okay, I think I can make a lot of passive income using Quant. Oh shit, look at this. The banks are starting to try to store my crypto, and what are they using? They're using Quant, the overledger, and for them to do that, they need to hold Quant. Okay, look at our supply shock begins. We start to see the 200,000 or whatever that is left on exchanges starts to run down, like, drastically. When people are going to sit and see Quant going up there, oh crap, it's up $5,000, it's up 10 grand or something like that, then you will realize that Quant has much more potential than anything that you've ever seen. Okay, the money is changing. The way we deal with our money is changing, and a lot of people still don't see it. All that is riding behind Quant. Go to the Quant website. There are some videos there. You will be amazed at what they're working. You will be amazed. Oh, come on. You'll be amazed at what is coming behind Quant. People still like they say, oh, everything else is running, but Quant is not moving. Yet it's not even going down either. It's just holding stagnant. If you had bought Quant 2019 thereabout, you would not be saying that right now. If you look at the entire chart of Quant, it's behaving normal. That's what cryptos do. Cryptos go high. If they go up like in a record time, if they take off in a record time, the correction usually be gradually until they reach the support and start to go. And the support for Quant was that $58. That was the support. So it has bounced up and it has started to move. Therefore, for everybody who is thinking that this project is not going anywhere, I got news for you. I think you're about to miss out on the biggest opportunity ever. Okay, anyways, now let's go right quick. It's getting kind of dark out here. Let's go right quick and look at the 24 hours market performance right quick. So you look at crypto bubbles right here. See, everybody who was afraid, look at that. The whole thing is it started to go back up the way it was before the crash. So looking at Casper, KAS, okay, for the past hour, we are down 0.8%, 2.5% up on the day, 8.9% down on the week, 30% down on the month, and 139% up on the year. Looking at Quant, QNT, we are down 0.18% on the day, 0.27% down on the 0.18% down on the hour, 0.2%, almost 3%, 0.3% on the day, 8.6% down on the week, 23.4% down on the month, and 42% down on the year. Looking at the other one that we're also trading, which is Jasmine, JAS, we are down 0.33% down on the hour, 2.9% up on the day, 11.3% down on the week, 30.2% down on the month, and yearly we are still down 359%. Now looking at it, the price is in a little details that tells a little kind of a different story. Okay, let's look at trading view right quick. We're starting with Casper. I told you guys this morning, that's exactly what's happening. So far, so good. Everything is following the same trajectory. We are on the 1 hourly, okay, on the 1 hour. And then you can see, let me grab my arrow right quick. I told you guys that this, what we'll do is that it was going to come. Excuse me. Let me grab my arrow right there. Put that right there. I gotta move it a little more. Hold on a second. So yeah, this is what I was telling you guys earlier today. You see how we broke out, came and retested that resistance, came down. Look at that, we are riding the ribbon again. Just like I said, I'm expecting this price to go again, try for a second time. This time we are probably gonna have enough momentum to break above that, turn that into support, and keep on going higher. So yeah, it is something that a lot of people are looking at right now, mostly because Bitcoin just broke $68,000. If you are checking the price of Bitcoin, you will see that. So not much has changed on the price action since morning, since the last time I updated you guys. Everything else is still following the same trajectory. You look at that, ribbon is on the 4 hourly, the ribbon is also curving. Okay, the ribbon is going exactly as we predicted. Look at that, ribbon is curving. We tried the first one, we're going now the second one. We're also going to try again to see if we can break above. So yeah, I am still very bullish on Casper right now. Above that, if you can check, look at the 200 moving average, how high that is, which means price has to go all the way up there to try to break it or get rejected, either or. We're about to see that happening in the upcoming few days. Okay, so the first thing is we need to break above this resistance. If you've been following my channel, you know I had this line drawn for a while now. It's a very big resistance. So yeah, let's watch the price action for a few more, let's say a few more hours, to see how we close Sunday, see how Sunday is going to be. Now let's go look at Quant right quick. QNT USDT, Quant USDT on Binance is this one. Okay, so again, it is funny, man. It is really funny when you see things play out the way you are expecting them to do. You can see, yeah, we broke above the ribbon like I told you guys. See, riding the ribbon, trying to take a check the resistance, riding the ribbon again. Now I'm expecting it to do the same thing, try to go up again to check the resistance. But guys, see, look at that. See the ribbon is already beginning to like cluster together. After this clustering, it usually turns green, and then we have the explosion upside. So let's hope Bitcoin continues to go up and it doesn't flip behind, try to go back again to 60,000, because if that happens, then this move will be invalidated. So far it's moving pretty good, just like we are expecting it to move. If you go out, look at it on the 4 hourly, just like Casper, look at that. We are fighting to try to get into the ribbon. As you can see, the ribbon is still curving. So yeah, let's wait and see how we close the week, see if we can close above $64, $65. But anyways, everything is moving according to plan. Nothing to fear about. I keep telling you guys this. Everybody else, I don't know. Anyways, if the price goes down, I will recommend you to try to scale up your position if you are in a trade. Okay, I don't know if you are following my channel, you should be in a trade by now. Not financial advice, but this is why we do all this. Anyways, now let's go look at Jasmy right quick. Jasmy, Jasmy. Okay, we look at Jasmy on Binance again. See, this is exactly, again, like I told you guys this morning, it is happening. Jasmy has begun the uptrend, but yet still, I'm a little bit cautious until I see Jasmy break the 2.3 cents. But so far, everything looks good. Like you see, Jasmy has broken above the moving average. I'm expecting it to probably continue this trajectory until we meet this this 200 moving average, because we are above the moving ribbon right now. So here will determine, probably we're going to get rejected, or probably we'll go above it and continue. You guys know Bitcoin, it has a lot of liquidity, and at that $73,000. If Bitcoin can get there, guys, this thing is going to break that 2.3 cents. Okay, so if I look at it on the 4-hourly, I'm just trying to rush this thing so that you guys can see. Again, the same thing. Like this morning, I think we were somewhere here when I told you guys, look, it is curving, price is going to get attracted to it. Okay, that's exactly what's happening right now. Price is getting attracted to it. Let's see if we can move into the ribbon, break above the ribbon, and then continue this trajectory upwards. Like, guys, this is exactly what I am expecting to happen. That is why I am taking opportunity. I am taking this opportunity so serious, because I know I want to make money in this market. I don't know about you. I don't know about you. So let's take here. Now, using this, you can either 5, 10, 20 extra money. Down below, I do have the exchanges that I trust that much. It's going to be for beginners. I think you have to use them. If you want to trade, use Phemex and Bydfi. Okay, because all the exchanges that I'm trying right now, like I'm about to show you, they don't give you that flexibility. They don't let you drop your liquidation point by adding more margin and all that stuff. Anyways, no leverage trading. Please do not do that. Do not do leverage trading if you don't know what you're doing, because you can lose your money so quickly. Now let me go right quick. Let me show you my positions. You can see, and then let's see how good or how bad we are doing. First of all, we are going to start with Phemex. Let's go here. I do have my Phemex open. Come on, here, open up Phemex. The only long-term trade I have here is the Jasmy. The Casper trade, once my take profit comes, I will start taking profit as soon as possible. But anyways, look at here on my overall, I'm still hovering around that $9,000. Yeah, which we are doing pretty good. If you look at my contracts, on my contracts, I am still down Jasmy 38%, which is 4,500. On Casper, I am also still down around 50%, which is 2,700. But hey, for me, don't panic. I'm good, because, like, guys, this market is about to start running like crazy. Now let's go look at the other positions at Bydfi. Bydfi, that's where I plan to keep these positions open to the top of the bull run, or closer to the top as possible. Okay, that's what I plan to do. So you look at this right now, my overall, we're doing pretty good. I am still up 8,300. And now if you look at my contracts, look at that. Yeah, Casper dropped a little bit. I am still down on Casper 56%, which is 2,700. And on Quant, I am also still down 16%, which is 1,100. Again, it's a matter of time. Let's see how the week closes this time. Now, let's go look at my new trades that I opened today and yesterday, which is on Market. The first one on Margex. Margex here. You guys know I have 2 trades over there. Come on, let me turn this thing off. Yeah, on Margex, you guys know, as you can see, my overall is still at 7,500. That's my overall on Margex. But looking at my contracts, going to my trades right here. Okay, market corrected just a little bit. Yeah, just a little bit. And this morning I was up 1,700. Right now I am still up. My first trade is still up 1,271, and the second one is also still up 1,250, almost, as you can see. So yeah, everything is moving as according to plan. So let's see how this thing goes. Now let's also go look at my Pionex, okay? On my Pionex trades, let's see here, Pionex, right there. My Pionex, like I told you guys, man, they wouldn't let me. I tried to I tried to like scale up this trade. They wouldn't let me at all. But so far, my overall, I am still up 3,300. Now I'm explaining to you something else I did. Okay, as you can see, let me go back here right quick. Go back right here. On my Pionex, what I did, since I already had that cross margin, all I did is just add another trade for Jasmine. Right? Anyways, I know Jasmine is going up. My liquidation for Jasmine, as long as it's low, around 1.5 or 1.55 cents, I know we're not going to hit that. So that's what I did. I added a margin. I added a trade on Jasmine on Pionex. So those guys wouldn't even let me put $1,000 in. But anyways, whatever that they let me do, that's what I did. And now looking at it, go here. Looking at it, you can see here right quick. Not here, my futures account. You can see that Jasmine trade, I am down. Where is it? Oh, sorry, up there. I need to see these guys. I'm still not used to this exchange yet. On Jasmine trade, I'm still up 44%, which is $60. Sorry, Casper trade, I'm still up 46%, which is $60. And the Jasmine trade, I am up I'm up 74%, which is $145. But yet, guys, don't do this, because this, if one position gets liquidated, all your positions are going to get down too. But I'm not worried about it, because guys, they only let me put in $196, okay? $196. They wouldn't even let me do higher leverage than higher margin than that. So $196, I'm trading at 50x. While my Casper, I only have $130, and I'm trading at 75x, as you can see right there. So yeah, even if I get liquidated, it wouldn't be a great deal. But the chances of it going higher are even better, because, like, guys, look at, for example, I'm gonna just show you right quick. Look at Jasmine. Let's just say Jasmine, I only want to wait until it gets to 30 cents. 0.3 at 30 cents this position, okay? Oh, come on, let me go back here. 0.3, 30 cents, okay? At 30 cents, this position will make me $156,000. You see that? That is the chance that I'm willing to take. So even if I get liquidated, I'm fine. Okay, even if okay, let's just say I'm only going to go for that top of that wage, 0.45 cents. This position will make me $15,000. Y'all see that? Those are the kind of chances that I take. Those are the kind of chances. Let's see, maybe I don't need to close it. Maybe I want to keep the long-term, the long-term trade open, just for that, to see how good it's going to do by the time I close the rest. Okay, so that is all I have for you guys right now. As you guys can see, it's getting dark, and I have to I have to get the hell out of here right quick. Anyways, thank you very much for watching my videos. Please subscribe. We're trying to make it to 5,000 subscribers. Like, turn on your notifications so that you will know every time I drop a new video. And again, guys, do not sleep on Quant. Guys, don't, because Quant is getting ready for something. Do not sleep on Quant. Okay, that being said, guys, don't forget to comment, don't forget to share, so that other people with millionaire minded like you and I can see these videos and get motivated, and then we can also share ideas. All right, that being said, until I see you in my next update, please guys, stay safe out there. Bye bye.